Hello, today we are going to have a short tutorial and a background of the Cochrane Library. The Cochrane Library is comprised of over 5,000 peer-reviewed systematic reviews and meta-analysis. It's acknowledged as the highest standard or high quality in evidence-based healthcare. Each document is updated as new evidence is found about topics, usually on a monthly basis. There's 5 different types of systematic reviews, which include intervention, methodology, diagnostic test accuracy, qualitative reviews, and prognosis reviews. Each systematic review clearly addresses formatted questions. These are very specific. The question we're going to address today here shortly is, can posture correction help alleviate abnormal muscle tone? It also includes a great feature through the online publisher who purchased the library, John Wiley & Sons, of mesh terms or medical subject headings, which are synonyms commonly found in articles that you can find for words of your own. Now, the mission is to enable practice of evidence-based healthcare to make healthcare decisions improve. In order to do this, you're going to produce systematic reviews that meet a certain criteria, and these can be found in the handbook. They're very specific. They stay recognized internationally in over 120 countries for high quality. They promote equal partnerships between the researcher, the practitioner, and of course the patient. And then most importantly, they provide credible and accessible information to help the decision making in order to improve health. Now, the types of literature index, there's 6 different databases housed under the Cochrane Library. So you have the Cochrane Database of Systematic Reviews, Search Trials, Method Studies, Technology Assessment, Economic Evaluations, and Database of Abstracts of Reviews of Effects. Now, the applicability, it further promotes the field of OT by promoting the highest quality reviews. Its access is to best available research, meaning students at their university can have access through their university subscription, but non-students can either get it through maybe their work, corporation, or as an individual subscription, but it's very expensive. It's thousands of dollars. It's predominantly randomized clinical and controlled trials or systematic reviews, and this is the gold standard in evidence-based research. If you remember the evidence-based research pyramid, it's at the top. Now, the oversight mechanism, so the Cochrane Library Oversight Committee has different authors that register in one of 53 Cochrane review groups. For example, these can be breast cancer, drugs and alcohol, etc. Each systematic review is prepared by an author team, and multiple editors or peer reviewers work on these systematic reviews each month, as multiple contributors and groups all around the world maintain the website. So it's all online. You wouldn't use and why. This is relevant to OT and anyone interested in high quality information to make a healthcare decision. Without the Cochrane reviews, we wouldn't have the access to the most current healthcare. And the best way to utilize this resource, it would be great for an OT in any population setting based on its high quality. If you have it available, use this resource because of its high quality and reliability, as it has the mesh terms, a color coding key to the left that we'll see shortly. But once again, you do, in order to use, have to maintain a subscription if not a student. Now we are going to go to the website. So I'm going to go to my Winston-Salem State Library, George O'Kelly, go to Resources by Subject. I'm going to scroll down to Occupational Therapy, go to Evidence-Based Practice, and here Carl Leak has provided the links that are provided for me as a student. I'm going to click on the Cochrane Library. I'm going to have to enter in my username and password provided by my institution. And I'm here. Now remember correctly, if you're not, you have to have a subscription. But as you can tell, when you look on it, you have highlighted reviews here. You can browse by topic: blood disorders, cancer, child health, mental health. If you just want to kind of read and just stay up to date, there's editorials, there's special collections. Very, very neat. You can go to the different reviews. If you forget some of the history, go to the about. But it's specific to our search. If posture can aid in alleviating abnormal muscle tone, we're going to type in posture here in the search engine. Some other stuff has already popped up that I've searched, so it does save that. And this is just a basic search. And when we do that, we're going to see all these that are available. And the great thing about it is to the left right here, if you follow my mouse, it has color coding. And this is methodology, diagnostic overview, etc. Now NS here, that would be a new search. That's something that's new to it. CM would be a comment that's made by an author. But my favorite thing about this, it has locks and it says free, so a lot of them are unlocked or free. But let's dumb our search down a little bit. So just for completion purposes, we're going to go back, go to advanced search, And say we really needed something posture, and then we can do a title abstract keywords, record a title, a DOI, but we want to keep that, and we're going to add muscle tone. Let's see if we get something a little bit more specific. And we got 7 that time. Alright, well now let's go to our mesh terms here. There's only 4 at the top, so it's very user friendly. And we're going to type in muscle tone. And let's see what comes up. Wow, look at all that. So we have muscle hypertonia, and it has a bunch of synonyms all right here. So we're going to go back to our search. We're going to type in posture, and let's say we wanted, instead of a muscle tone, we do hypertonia, but with that, it may have different things that pop up right there just to create the curiosity, which is great. And we're going to do that. And then we're going to press go again to really dumb our search down, and we got 4 that time. And that's very, very neat. But once again, just for completion purposes, say we go back. And we type in posture, and let's say occupational therapy. And we find many articles. So let's click on this free one here, and we're just going to click on it because it says free beside it. We're interested in it. And it's a conservative interventions for treating work-related complaints of the arm, neck, and shoulder in adults. We're going to click the full article to the side since we are students. And we have a full article to our availability and accessibility. Now remember, the Cochrane Libray does have 6 databases, so it's very, very high quality, and you'd use it if it's available to you or if you can afford it, but it is a great resource to ensure you're making the best healthcare decisions.